Where to watch Emma Navarro vs Xiyu Wang at 2025 Australian Open, TV and streaming details. In the round of 64 at the 2025 Australian Open, number 8 ranked Emma Navarro will face number 108 Xiyu Wang on Wednesday, January 15. Navarro's previous match ended with a 4-6, 2-6 loss to Xiyu Wang in the round of 64 at the China Open on September 26, 2024. Wang, meanwhile, lost 6-7, 6-0, 3-6 to Viktorija Golubic in the same round of the China Open. Match details Tournament Australian Open. Round of 64. Date Wednesday, January 15. Live stream watch Tennis Channel on Fubo. Court surface hard. Emma Navarro vs Xiyu Wang stats Navarro 30-12 on hard courts in the past year, including one title. Serve/return stats 68% win rate on serve, 41.4% on return. Breakpoints converted 47.2% of breakpoints, 199 of 422. Wang 13-16 on hard courts in the past year. Serve/return stats 67.9% win rate on serve, 35.5% on return. Breakpoints converted 50.4% of breakpoints, 115 of 228. Navarro will be looking to bounce back from her recent defeat, while Wang aims to improve on her performance in the China Open.